welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Efforts on by Karnataka to complete Madai water diversion project. Work on linking Madai water into Malaprabha basin in progress. Prudent's team visits Kankumbi. An exclusive report. Constable Chandru Gawas denied leave for his wedding, reveals his dying declaration report. Police yet to file charge sheet in the case. Chandru's family awaits justice. Friendship Day celebrated with fun and fair in the state on Saturday. Friends tie ribbons and exchange gifts. Celebrate the spirit of friendship. Tussle between Catholics and Dominic and Joan Trust in Shirley. Both groups allege of disturbances. Trust asks Bishop to intervene. And Rahul Dravid passes on his preachings to Sharda Mandir students. Batting legend advises students there is no substitute to patience. And now the news in detail. Despite tribunal in place to solve the Madai River diversion issue, Karnataka has completed major work of the project. That's not all. Karnataka has commenced work on linking underground canal that will divert water of Madai into the Malaprabha basin a couple of months back. All efforts by Goa government have failed to solve this future water crisis of the state.
These are the visuals of main diversion canal in Kankumbi some 2 years back. In 2010, Prudent Media had visited Kankumbi for a report. Now we visited the same place and same canal and see how it looks in 2012. The canal has developed much wider. Now have a look at the visuals of 2010 again. A concrete structure was being constructed then. Now in 2012, at the same place we found the concrete structure almost completed. Karnataka did this massive work in past 2 years in spite of tribunal being set up by the central government. To settle the dispute, Karnataka did not even bother to consider the objections made by Goa government. Due to monsoons, Karnataka has stopped the work of canal couple of months back. But this work is expected to resume in October. Kankumbi is the main village in Belgaum where the Kalsa river's water is diverted to Malaprabha. Kalsa is a tributary of Goa's Mandavi or Madai river. Locals from Kankumbi informed us that Karnataka officials are planning to complete the entire diversion project in next 4 to 5 years.
परवा ते आपले काल कृष्णाजीराव इथं इंजिनियर आले होते ना त्यांनी पण सांगितलं अजून 4 वर्ष पाहिजे आहेत म्हणून.
Now look at these visuals of tarpaulin cover. Locals say it is being used to cover the underground tunnel that will link the Kalsa's water with Malaprabha. Underground tunnel is expected to take some more time to complete.
हे अंडरग्राउंडचं काम समोर मंदिरासमोरच चालू आहे. ते अजून पूर्ण झालेलं नाही आहे. ते 150 मीटरचं काम बाकी आहे.
हे काम जास्त झालं नाही, थोडंसं झालेलं आहे आणि हे प्लॅस्टिक घालून याच्यात 4 बॉक्स आत गेलेले आहेत.
जे अंडरग्राउंड झालेलं आहे,
अंडरग्राउंड अजून झालं नाही, अजून पुढं जास्त काम आहे आणि थोडं 4 बॉक्स राहते, बाकी तसं आहे.
Goa government says that they will not allow diversion of Madai water into Malaprabha. But the way Karnataka has done so much of work here, it seems Goa government has to take some concrete action. With Omkar Farari, Rakesh Kandolkar from Kankumbi.
Chandru Gawas was denied leave for his wedding, a shocking fact revealed in his dying declaration. When he spoke last, he apologized to the girl he was going to marry. And although perpetrator of the crime, Praveen Kumar Vast, is suspended, charge sheet is yet to be filed in this case. The best example of how a police probe a case when one of their kind is involved. The family of Chandru is still awaiting for justice, even after a year. A Prudent Media exclusive.
Date 26 June 2011. Time 10:40 am. Chandru Gawas, who had consumed poison, was giving his dying declaration to Special Judicial Magistrate Maria Mascarenhas. He narrated how he was harassed by his superiors, how he was abused by his seniors. They expected him to be present at 2 places at the same time. They threatened that they would mark him negative on his service diary. Not only this, the inhuman nature reached to a level where senior officers did not grant leave to him for his wedding too. The dying declaration in possession of Prudent says it all. Chandru's dying declaration. I do not know if I will live for long, as I have done injustice to the girl I am going to marry or was going to marry, as my marriage was fixed in July. I was not even given leave for the day. According to the brother of Chandru Gauss, Chandru had told him about the ill treatment given to him by Police Inspector Praveen Kumar Vast. But for Chandru's family, justice is delayed and till now it is denied too.
मृत्यूच्या पयलीं म्हणजे ताणें सुसायड करच्या पयलीं तुमकां अशें कितें सांगलेलें की आपल्याक छळ करता तें तशें कितें?
हय हॅरेसमेंट जालो आसलें म्हणून सांगलें, हॅरेसमेंट व्हडल्या ऑफिसरांचें. आनी एक नांव सांगलें प्रवीण कुमार वस्त म्हणून एकट्याचें. नेमकें हॅरेसमेंट म्हणून हेतून म्हाका फोन केलो, तिणें हें घेतलें तेन्ना फोन केलो उपरांत हांव गेलो मॅडिकलान. म्हाका पणजे कांपाल क्लिनिकान थंय गेलो. तेणें म्हाका तेणें हें सांगलें, प्रवीण कुमार वस्त ताचें नांव, अशें अशें हॅरेसमेंट, गाडी चलता, परत लिवेक लागून त्रास करता. तेजें लग्न आसलें, लग्ना खातीर ताका लीव जाय आसली आनी ती लीव ताका 2 दीस पयलींच हें करपाक जाय म्हणून तेणें तें इतलेंच सांगलें हॅरेसमेंट.
पुलिशेन योग्य तरेन हाताळ्ळी अशें दिसता तुमकां?
आमकां दिसता की केस अजून ओपन करूंकच नासली तेंच्यांनी.
तुमकां न्याय मेळ्ळो असो दिसता?
ना, आमकां न्याय मेळ्ळो असो दिसना. आनी कोण आहात जाल्यार तांकां हें करपाचें.
Now the government has agreed to re-investigate the Chandru Gauss suicide case. If the case is probed impartially, many officers in the then crime branch may find themselves in trouble. Our reporter from Nadoda, Uday Parab, and reporter Pratik Parab from Panji.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Well, from Sholay to Three Idiots, friendship is something that keeps all of us going. Friends don't, and celebration of this inseparable relationship, this intimate bond, is what's called Friendship Day. Youth celebrated Friendship Day on Saturday. Usually the first Sunday of August is considered as Friendship Day, but colleges celebrated on Saturday as Sunday is a holiday.
Friendship Day is celebrated on first Sunday of the month of August every year. On this day, people spend time with their friends and express love for them. Exchange of Friendship Day gifts like flowers, cards and wristbands is a popular tradition of this occasion. True friends are actually the rare treasures that every few people possesses. So if you have one, make sure that you make your friend realize on this day how special your friend is.
Any special moment you remember on Friendship Day, something special?
I remember this one biggest moment of my life, I can say. I went to Delhi last year as I was studying in Delhi. So one of my old friends, she called me and she didn't tell me anything. She just told me to come and meet her somewhere. When I reached that place, I saw everything was decorated. There were cakes, there were candles and a big huge card. And everybody had written something about me, all my friends, and I saw them, you know. That was a surprise party they had planned for me and I felt really special.
Anything you want to wish our Prudent Media viewers on Friendship Day?
I would like to wish all the viewers a very happy Friendship Day. Wish all your friends have fun, have a blast on this day. And please do not fight with your friends because they are precious gems in your life.
I guess the whole thing is make some time for your friends.
Be friends forever.
Yeah. At least this Sunday, try to take some time out of your schedule and spend some time with your friends. And I guess the whole point is valuing your friends.
And being with them forever. No matter how much you fight, whatever, just go back, make friends.
I smell.
We wish all our viewers a happy Friendship Day. Reporter Rohit Wadkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
I wonder who got the most friendship ribbons. It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.